Hi everybody, we just pushed a really big update on Koala this morning Pacific time. I wanted to show you a little bit what's new. Starting with the student lobby, which you're seeing here on the right side, we have this widget that we used to have as well in the previous version that allows the student to configure their hardware before they join. We've improved this a little bit, at least I think so. Instead of that pink bar going left and right to visualize whether your microphone is working, we have this, I think, more friendly approach where as I'm talking, as you can see, little bubbles sort of pop out of my mouth and they say hello just in different languages. If I don't say anything, no bubbles. If I start speaking, bubbles. So it's a good visual way to see that the sound is working for them. And of course, we have also a more thorough way to test the microphone and speaker that we didn't have before. If they click on test right next to the microphone, it'll prompt them as speaking, and as they're speaking, the green bars will fill up, and after that, it'll replay the audio to them, so they can sort of preview their microphone. And same for a speaker. If they click test, it'll play a little jazzy elevator song from the speaker, and that's a great way to see if it works. So they don't spend time doing that during class. So that's what's new with the lobby. When it comes to the teacher side, there's a few things that are new, and I think it's worth that I mention them. First thing is we worked really hard on improving the video quality. So you'll notice that the quality of the camera should be a lot better than it was before. So better frame rate, better resolution, and hopefully that'll help, especially for those of you that use document cameras. I expect the experience to be a lot better there. The other thing is we've changed a few of the menus, not too much, just a few. If you want to change your video background, you're going to click on devices now, and instead of it being in here directly, you click on the little gear camera, and you'll see all the options over here to blur the camera, to have no effect at all, or to just use a video mirroring. So, the three options: see only self-mirrored or mirror everybody, depending on what you prefer. The other thing is we got rid of, it used to be that when you click on the menu, the top right, click on settings, we used to have this option called server regions. This was because we had servers all around the world, and it was kind of on you to pick the server that was best for your student and you. To be honest, by the end we did it sort of automatically. We tried to pick a good one for you automatically, but it wasn't always perfect. This whole thing is completely gone. You do not have to worry about server regions anymore. We have a completely different system now that bypasses all this. And I think that's about it for the bigger changes. Just a few minor things here and there, such as if you click on your activities, and now if you click duplicate, three dots here, duplicate, it automatically prompts you. This sounds silly. We should have had this a long time ago, but I'm glad we have it now. It automatically prompts you with what name do you want for the copy, instead of just creating copy of test, and then you have to go in the menu and change the name again, which is kind of a hassle if you want to change, if you want to do that a lot. So hopefully that makes it a little bit easier, so you can now name it whatever you want, and it'll save with that name. And that's about it. Thank you for hearing me out, and I hope you all have fantastic classes. Oh, and please let us know if you have any issues. We do expect this transition to have a few hiccups here and there, so we very much appreciate if you can report those to us through the help chat. Yeah, thank you very much. Take it easy.